Let's look at connecting Zoho CRM with Paperform. Zoho CRM is a cloud-based platform that assists businesses in organizing their customer interactions and automating their sales and marketing workflows. Using the integration between Zoho CRM and Paperform can help users gather, organize, and categorize their product and customer data in one place. Combining Zoho CRM and Paperform can lead to streamlined workflows, automated lead generation and marketing campaigns, and boost productivity as well as improve customer communications. Now here I have an online subscription form. A submitter completes the form and subscribes to my weekly newsletter. I then want to create a new record in Zoho CRM automatically using the details from the form submission. To do this, from the form editor, navigate to After Submissions, Integrations and Webhooks. Select Zoho CRM under the direct integrations and select Create a Record. Time to connect your Zoho CRM account. Just select the Add Account button there and then simply authorize the connection. Once your account has been successfully connected, it's time to set up the integration. Firstly, select the type of record you want to create. Now, I want to create a new contact from my form submission. Next, select the record layout. I'll select Standard. You then have the ability to toggle on Trigger Workflow. Having this on will action an automated workflow to occur within Zoho CRM, if you have configured this, of course. If we jump into Zoho CRM, here I have created an automated workflow that triggers a welcome email to be sent when a new contact is created. Okay, jumping back, now we can configure what details we want to share from the form submission with the newly created record. I'm going to skip the contact image and owner as they do not have an asterisk and are therefore not required fields. However, we do need to provide a last name for this contact record. We can use the process of answer piping to dynamically display a submitter's response to a question. Just select the icon to the right of the field and a menu will appear displaying the questions of your form. Just select the correlating question. I'll select the last name field. Then continue mapping the rest of these questions, those that align with which record field. Let me just quickly skip past most of these fields as we work our way through this setup. Also, notice that we can create conditional logic rules for when this integration is actioned. Once you're happy with the integration setup, it's time to run a test. However, please ensure that you run a test submission of your form first so the Paperform can test the connection with Zoho CRM using real data. And boom, it's a success. So if we navigate to Zoho CRM, there we can see the newly created contact. It's that simple. All that's left is to select Finish Setup and your integration is live. You can then turn off the integration, edit, delete, duplicate, and even look at the history of past actions from the Integrations and Webhooks tab. Connecting Paperform to Zoho CRM can lead to enhanced contact, campaign, and product categorization, as well as automated sales and marketing workflows, ultimately leading to improved productivity and better results for your efforts. Well, I hope this has been a helpful video. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting connections. And let us know in the comments below, what apps do you want to connect to Paperform?